Welcome to this video on dimensional analysis rate problems. By the end of this video, you should be able to use common conversion factors to solve rate problems using dimensional analysis. So what makes a rate problem is that you're going to have more than one rate that has to be converted in every problem. Okay, and so let's just jump right in. We're going to be using all the tools that we have learned over the past 3 lessons to complete this. So we have a cheetah that runs 300 feet in 2.92 seconds. What is the cheetah's speed in miles per hour? So right now, the current, we're in feet per second. Okay, and we need to convert both of those into different units. But just like before, we're going to start with what we're given. We're given 300 feet. But because we have this second measurement, 2.92 seconds, we're going to put it below 2.92 seconds. So this is 300 feet per 2.92 seconds. It's like saying miles per hour, the pers meaning division. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to get the feet into miles and the seconds into hours. We just pick one of them to start with and do exactly what we've done before. So let's go ahead and start with the miles. It doesn't matter which one we start with if we want to get feet into miles. So one thing that we do know is that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Feet cancels and now I'm in miles, and when I look, that's what I'm supposed to be in over here. So I'm going to stop. I don't need to do any more with the distance. Now the time has to be dealt with, so I'm just going to add it on to the end of this. I have seconds and I need to get them into hours. Well, I know I have 60 seconds in 1 hour. Or in 1 minute, sorry, not 1 hour, 1 minute. And then we know we have 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so just double check. Seconds cancels with seconds, minutes cancels with minutes, and we're in hours. Miles per hour, which is what we're supposed to be in here. Okay, so we're going to multiply straight across top and bottom. So 300 times 1 times 60 times 60. We got 108,0000. So 1,080,000. And then on the bottom, we have 2.92 times 528 gives us 17.6. And you'll divide top divided by bottom, and you should get 70.04, and our units are miles per hour. So we'll say miles per hour. Okay, so it's everything we've been doing. It's just when you start with 2 different units, so you have to convert the both of them. Let's try it again. If the average baseball pitch is 92 miles per hour, what is this rate in feet per seconds? So we have 92 miles per hour. That per, that's your division, so that means hour goes on the bottom. So you have 92 miles per hour. Okay, that's what this says written mathematically. Now, what do we have to do to this? We need to get the miles into feet and the hours into seconds. Okay, well, that's very similar to what we just did. Last time we did the distance first. Let's do the time first because it doesn't matter. We need to get into seconds. So we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. We know 1 minute is 60 seconds. So check. We got hour, hour, minute, minute, and we're in seconds right now, which is what we need to be for this problem because it wants feet per second. So now we just need to go back and get the miles into feet. And we know that 1 mile remember this mile has to be on the bottom because this other one's on the top, is 5,280 feet. Miles cancels and we're in feet, and we need to be in feet per second, So we're going to multiply straight across. 92 times 5280 gives us 485,760. Divided by 60 times 60 gives us 3,600. When we divide that down, we should get 134.9, and our units are feet per second. All right, so usually these are in a story format, and really what you're looking for, what are the two measures that I'm starting with at the beginning, and then I know I've got to convert both of them. So number 3, some female spiders have been measured spinning a web at 3 centimeters per second. What is this rate in meters per minute? Hint, there are 100 centimeters in meters. That's going to help us because we're jumping between measurement systems here. So 3 centimeters, remember the per means that's your division second. So we have 3 centimeters per second, showing our division. Since we have a hint, I'm going to go ahead and do this. There's 100 centimeter in meters. So 100 centimeters is 1 meter. So now we're in the meters. Centimeters, we're in meters, which is what we need to be in. Great. We're done with the distance. Let's go back to the time. We're in seconds and we need to go into minutes. 60 seconds is 1 minute. Your seconds cancel, leaving us in minutes, and there we have meters per minute, which is what we need to be in. We just need to multiply straight across, and we should get 180 divided by 100, which gives us 1.8 meters. I'm going to write it out because M could be miles here too. Minute. All right, let's try it again and see how we're doing. The average speed of a car on a stretch of interstate is 70 miles per hour. Convert this rate to feet per second. So we have 70 miles per hour. There's your per, that's where your division happens. So 70 miles per hour. Okay, and we want to get into feet per second. It doesn't matter which one you do. I'm going to go ahead and do the miles first. And we know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. We're in feet, which is what the problem wants us to be in. And now we need to get into seconds. So we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. And that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So hour cancels with hour, minute cancels with minute. We're in seconds. So we are currently in feet per second, which is what our problem asks us to do. Multiply across, straight across top and bottom, and we should get 369,600 on top, divided by 3,600 on the bottom, which gives us a final rate of 102.7 feet per second. All right, I want you to try the last one on your own. Pause the video, give it a try, and come back to see how you did. All right, so we started with 1319 inches per second, so 1390 inches per is your division second. I went ahead and took care of the distance first, inches into feet, feet into miles. Once I was in miles, I stopped because that's where I'm supposed to be. And then I took my time, seconds into minutes, minutes into hours, multiplied across on the top, multiplied across on the bottom, and then simplified, and I got 74.9 miles per hour. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in class.